We're in this condo and here to clean up some mold. I first inspected it a couple months ago. The prospective buyer followed through and bought it, and now she's hired us to come in and clean up the mold. So I've got a kitchen here. Actually, there was a water damage event that came from the unit above, and the inside of a lot of these cabinets are swollen. There's a little bit of mold visible in some of them. There's quite a bit of mold visible in the top of this pantry area here. As the sellers were getting it ready to sell, they made everything look really nice and new, including a brand new countertop that unfortunately has to come out and may not be savable. But there's mold in the cabinets, under the cabinets, and a couple of other places.